Hey everyone, Kelly here. We are going to talk about how you can slay the holidays with Posh. I know everyone's probably wondering what's on sale for Black Friday, or as we like to do at Posh, Pink Week. But before that all starts, I want to tell you about the best deal of all. This is going to be the best deal you're going to get whatsoever, and it's right now. It is our holiday shopping starter kit. Our starter kit this month is very unique. You're going to get products that you can keep for yourself, some to give as gifts, some to resell, to get your money back, and to jumpstart your business. Let's start with our 'Tis the Season to Be Freezin' Big Fat Yummy Hand Cream. You're going to get 2 of these special winter products. 2, yeah. You're getting 2 of these. You can open one up, keep one in your purse, share it as you're out and about. You can just enjoy it for yourself. You can use it to make samples, product reviews, whatever you want to do with it. And then you're going to get a second one that you can sell or give as a gift. You're also going to get 2 Holly Jolly Chunks. This is a red, very festive bar of soap that smells like Christmas time. There's pomegranate, there's pine. It is just, it is the holidays. Now you can give these as stocking stuffers. You could wrap them up and give them as a gift. You can sell them. You can use one. You can do whatever you want because it's your kit. You're also getting 40 Holly Jolly Chunk samples. So you can give these out, and as people start using them and love it, you could sell the 2 chunks that come in your kit and make $20 back right there. You also get 2 Santa's Little Healer Skin Sticks, and this is probably my favorite product of our new winter line. I absolutely love this skin stick, and you get 2 of them. You're definitely going to want to keep one for yourself. It has the magic of our standard healer stick, that orangey vanilla scent, but they've added spearmint, and I just love spearmint. So this makes a wonderful lip balm, and you can also use it for all of the things that you would use a healer stick for, like a chapped nose, a little cut on your hand, dry patches, all those things that healer is good for. You also get 2 of our 'Tis the Season to Be Freezin' body polishes. It's the same scent as the hand cream in a convenient tube. I don't have them here to show you. I'm sorry about that. But you get 2 of them, and they are delightful. It's a light mint with a vanilla. It has like a pearly sheen to it, and it sloughs off all that dry skin and leaves you all moisturized after a shower or bath. And just like all the other double products, keep one for yourself, give them both as gifts, sell them, do a combination of all of those things. It's up to you. You get 1 of these. This is also a big favorite of mine, Young Love Body Cream. The scent of this is unbelievable. It's great for year round. It's not very Christmassy. You might want to hang on to this one for yourself. This is mega moisturizing. It has a powerful sodium hyaluronate blend that is intense moisturization, and the scent is amazing. It smells like fresh plums, like you just bit into a juicy fresh plum, and then there's this side note of citrusy tangerine. I am in love with this. It's very light. It's not overpowering. I love this product. Another great thing in this kit, you get 30 bath bombs. 30 bath bombs. An entire plethora of bath bombs. Now you can use a few of these. You can use them as stocking stuffers. You can wrap them up in all different cute types of ways and give them as gifts. They're great for like teachers' gifts and hairdressers and babysitters and things like that, or your children's friends. Kids love bath bombs, but moms love them too. Now remember, I said you get 40 Holly Jolly Chunk samples and bath bombs. You can package these up together, put them in a little bag, tie them with a bow. This makes a great gift. As always, you get the Ritual Face Mask, a consultant exclusive. It's a pink face mask. It's detoxifying. It's amazing. And it just is your induction into the Posh life. And last but not least, we have some lip products for you. The exclusive Smoocheroo All Natural Lip Plumper It plumps with cinnamon and peppermint and capsaicin and menthol. It makes your lips all tingly, but not in a painful, gross way. It's just a big fat lip balm that makes your lips more plumper and hydrated. And you get a vial set. This is worth $49 just by itself. You get the vial tri-tin, which includes the vial primer. This is what you put on first to make your lip color stay on. You get the favorite Love the Wine You're With, which is what I'm wearing right now. It looks so great on many different skin tones. And you get a third vial. This is not the one you get. I don't have that one, but it is a topper, a shimmery topper like this, but it is more gold than this one. And it looks beautiful on top of this deep red. So all the products in the kit that I just talked about are worth over $300. That is a huge bang for your buck because this kit only costs $99 plus tax and shipping. But you could grab this now, get some treats for yourself, have lots of gifts to give, and even resell some of them to get that $99 back. And once you give out these gifts and your friends and family start using Posh, they're going to fall in love with it because that's just what happens when people try Posh. And they'll come back to you and order more Posh. And there you go. You've started your business. You do get business tools in the kit. You get catalog, you get a consultant guide, you've got information about the company that you can share, everything you need to get started right away. I'm here to help you with your launch party or anything else that you need help with. So please just click the link in the description and it will take you to my site where you can get signed up right away. If you want to talk to me first, if you have questions about anything, I would love to chat with you. My email info is in the caption below as well. So I would love to hear from you very soon. Let's get you started right away. This kit is incredible. I don't want you to miss it. So many great reasons to join Posh today. And thank you so much for watching. Please click subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos, and happy holidays. Bye.